Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, we'll be doing an unboxing of QCY Buds with ANC. Let's begin! Okay, so let's begin with just inspecting the box for now. It really does say that we should see a full charging case with earbuds, user manual, Type-C cable and ear tips. These are pretty nice, and we don't see them every box. Be creative, go beyond. Nice design, and also be creative, go beyond. Pretty sad that they have both the same texts, but you know, who cares about the text? Now let's try to cut this baby right open. So okay, that went pretty smooth, and now let's try to open it. Okay, and let's see what is exactly in the box. Okay, some few things did fall off. There is nothing else in the box whatsoever, so we can eat it to the other side of the desk. Okay, so this all is just what was inside the box. There's not that much things. The cable is I mean, it is also pretty short, but I guess it's here. We also have the user manual with nothing interesting. I mean, how to turn it on, etc, etc, and how to wear, which is pretty cool, I think. And we also have these ear tips, or whatever it was called, with two. Oh my god, I can't open this. So they should have two sizes, and yeah, they do. But I almost know how to open this. Okay, I may be stupid, but god. Oh my god. Yeah, so I almost know how to open these. But as you can see, they do have two sizes. There's a larger size here and a smaller one. But okay, enough about all of that. The box itself is pretty interesting. Let me zoom the camera for you so you will see better. You can also see the logo. As you can see, the box itself is really small, like it's incredibly small. But do we have a nice texture to it? Huh, it's pretty cool. We have a singular USB-C port at the bottom and a little hole, I'm guessing, for the LEDs. That is interesting. So they do open pretty smoothly, and they also have magnets. The magnets are pretty strong. Yeah, magnets are pretty strong, and the earbuds themselves are also on magnets. I would say the magnet is a little weaker than the original, like the box itself. But yeah, these are the earbuds. They also have this fun and interesting like texture to them. I don't think it can be very. Oh yeah, you should see, guys. Yeah, you should see this on the camera. But the texture is, I don't want to say a leather-like, but they are kind of going for that vibe. But yeah, that is pretty interesting. And also, I don't see a button, unless this works as a button, but it doesn't. So we can also try to talk with the user manual and push them back in case to activate, pick them again. Oh, so there is no button. That is interesting. There is no button for those. Huh, that is pretty interesting. You should basically connect it to Bluetooth while you have them in your case, and that should be it. That's interesting. But that's for the other video, since I'm going to go through every single process. Once again, here you can see an overview of user manual with how to wear and functions and all of that. And yeah, that is all for this video. As you can see, here is all of the box in its glory. And yeah, so if you found this video interesting, make sure to like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.